you doing, guys? Hope you're well. This has taken me back. Watching this has brought back some good memories back in the day. I've re-edited it, I've mastered the sound, and believe it or not, I used to compose all my music on my videos back in the day, every single video, and then I stopped because I didn't have time. But I'm going to show you this video. I mean, it's on YouTube, but it's an old one, and it's one of my favorites. It's caraway flatbread with a nice simple hummus, and it really is amazing. Really good recipe to try out. This week I just didn't have time to do a video. I was looking through my hard drives and I saw this and I thought, why not, because I do love it. And next week I am going to do something with hummus and fish. It's going to be a good one. There's two quick recipes in this video. Like I said, there's the hummus and the flatbread, and if you want to start getting into bread, you know, start with flatbread. It's so easy to actually make, and I love the addition of the caraway seeds. That just lifts the flatbread. Amazing. And hummus, well, I've got a good recipe for that. Recipes are down below in the link. I'll put a link, and yeah, give it a go and watch. It's two good recipes. Two delicious good recipes. Anyway, enjoy, guys.
To make the hummus, add garlic bulb to foil, add a good pinch of salt, olive oil, and wrap. When cooked, leave to cool. In the food processor, add tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and blitz 1 minute. After 1 minute, add chickpeas, cumin, good pinch of salt, and blitz until smooth. At this stage, taste and adjust for seasoning. Next, add hummus to a bowl. Add extra virgin olive oil, a pinch of cumin, red chili flakes, and parsley. There you have it, a fantastic, tasty hummus. To make the flatbread, slice an onion, add olive oil to a pan, add the onions, add a pinch of sugar to help caramelize, and cook until golden brown. Next, add flour to a bowl, add the onions, add caraway seeds, add olive oil, a good pinch of salt, ground black pepper, mix, add warm water to bring the flour together. Place plastic wrap over the dough and rest 30 to 40 minutes. Add a light dusting of flour and knead 10 minutes. Shape the dough into a log and slice into pieces. With a rolling pin, roll the dough flat. Next, add flatbread to a hot dry pan and cook until golden crispy. So let's tuck into this.